Okay guys, welcome back. Today you learn about AA Power SCADA, but this time the vibration monitoring and the predictive maintenance in n8n. So the goal is to build a workflow in n8n that simulates vibration sensor data from the industrial machine, send it to AI model Ollama for prediction and trigger alerts when vibration level indicate potential failure. So let's start the workflow. First you have a schedule trigger that we have set on interval 3 seconds, or at every 3 seconds the workflow will be activated. After that you have the function node that will simulate the vibration data. So this node will generate random vibration values in millimeters per second, you see, between simulated vibration between 0.5 and 15 millimeter per second. Okay. So after that, you have the Ollama, the AI, the Ollama chat model that will take the JSON dot vibration. So we for Ollama we will have this text analyze the motor vibration value of JSON vibration millimeters per second, explain strict in one sentence if it is normal, warning or critical, and suggest maintenance recommendation in one sentence also. Let's execute the Ollama node. Let's see. Okay, so Ollama take this text to us, this analyze. All this analyze we will use a merge node that will give the value from the function node and the text from Ollama with a merge node. So we, on the mode we'll put combine and combine by all possible combinations. Let's execute. So we have the vibration and the text, the A prediction. Okay, and all of that we will map with a function node that will have alerts. So in this function node, if vibration it's more than 7.1, we will have the critical response and also the response from Ollama. And the normal alert is normal if vibration is between those values. Okay, let's execute. So we have the vibration 5.93. So the alert is warning because it's between 4.5 and less than 7.1, so it's not critical, it's just a warning. Okay, and we want all of this text to be mapped out into a Google Sheet node. So we have we will choose from the list AI Power SCADA, and we have the sheet one. Okay, let's open it first. It's empty now. Okay, let's execute. On the mapping column mode, always take map automatic, and now all of this we need to be mapped out on the Google Sheet. So we have this on the Google Sheet. So vibration 5.93. So a prediction. Okay, let's analyze the motor vibration value. Analysis is considered a moderate vibration level. It falls within the range of acceptable but warrant investigation due to its relatively high value. So maintenance recommendation. Implement vibration analysis and bearing replacement to ensure proper bearing condition and minimize vibration transmission. Also, Ollama on disclaimer told us, I'm a chatbot and not a mechanical engineer. The analysis is based on general vibration principle and does not replace professional assessment and diagram. Okay, let's delete all delete. Okay, And now what I want is to activate the trigger node. Let's minimize. Okay, I want the schedule trigger to be activated. So we're activating, we'll execute the workflow. And now let's see how Google Sheet is populated at every 3 seconds with the new values. Okay, so you have normal for and 48. You have here the message. Here again warning, analysis, strict assessment. Okay, this is 6.26. Moderate. Let's see. This is on 3.6. It's a moderate. 4.6 also moderate. Okay, I want to see an alert that it's not only normal. Let's stop this and modify here on this function. Let's put let's put here 6.1, and if better than 6.1. Let's see here now. Execute again the workflow, because I want to see also the warning, the alert when it's not okay. I want to see the critical alert. Okay, let's see. So here, analysis, strict it's a warning. Okay, and I want to see here critical. You see, we have the critical. Let's analyze the motor vibration because it's more than 7.1. Also critical here. How much was here? 20.06. And with the map field of the A prediction. Okay guys, that's all for today. See you next video. Bye bye.